Hey everyone. So have you heard the news lately? What the media is trying to tell us, the administration? Just a little setback. Not that big a deal. Prices are up a little, but it's okay. There's not a recession. Everything's fine. Well, guess what? We have proof. They're lying to us. Hi there, Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency, using what we have to do what we can right here where we are. And my goodness, do we have something to share with you today? I normally do a Sam's Club pickup every 4 to 6 weeks. I do an order and pick it up. And we discovered some interesting things. First off, we discovered that produce is very sparse at our local Sam's. That's never been an issue. But most of the fresh produce, they were completely out of. I was kind of stunned by that because I'd never seen that before. However, not only that, but we discovered that you can, on the Sam's app on your account, it keeps record of all of your purchases. And you can go back and look at your past purchases and compare the prices from previous purchases to today's purchases. And we were able to go back to 2020 and find what we paid then versus what we paid at just the most recent pickup. And we got some news for you guys. First, we'll start out with what fresh produce you can find actually seems to not have been hit as hard. The spinach here, in 2020, these are all 2020 prices. The first price, $4.48 for a container. Just this past week, it was $4.58, so just an increase of 10 cents or 2.18%. Same with the Gala apples, a 4-pound bag. In 2020 was $5.98. We just paid $6.22, an increase of 3.89%. Romaine lettuce, if you can find it, that's one of those things that Sam's is completely out of, and our local grocery stores have limits on how much you can purchase. I don't know what's going on with the lettuce, but a pack of 6 romaine hearts, we did pay $3.98. It's now $4.28. For a 30-cent increase or 7.01% increase. Then we get to frozen produce, broccoli. I don't have that here, it's in the freezer, but frozen broccoli florets for 1-pound bags. We had been paying $6.48. We are now paying $6.98, increase of 50 cents or 7.16%. And then cheese. Provolone cheese has gone from $7.68 to $8.68, increase of a dollar, and that's 11.52%. So let me fast forward here to some things that really, really, really shocked us. Found paper towels. Oh, sorry, I've used 2 packs or 2 rolls already, but the paper towels. This is a case of 12 rolls. In 2020, we were paying $19.98. We just paid $27.68, an increase of $7.70 or 27.82%. Yeah. The Let's see what else we have here on the liquid fabric softener, the Downy. We used to pay $10.98. We now are paying $13.97, an increase of $2.99 or a 21.4% increase. We have the mayonnaise here that we were paying $4.98 for this 2-pack. Now it is $6.48, an increase of $1.50 or 23.15%. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is something that we always keep on hand, and it's a good keeper and it's good protein. For the 2-pack here, in 2020, we were paying $8.98. This last time I picked it up, it was $10.82. It's an increase of $1.84 or 17.01%. Cream cheese we have on here. I'm going to get my notes here. We were paying $5.94, and now we're paying $6.98 for four bricks of it, and that's an increase of 14.9% or $1.04. Coffee, we were really, really stunned about. We had been paying in 2020 $17.98 for that large container of Dunkin' Donuts coffee. We just paid $23.68, a difference of $5.70 or 24.07%. And the thing that really, really shocked us was the butter. So from Sam's, I get a 4-pack of 1 pound containers of butter. So it's 4 pounds of butter. We had been paying at one time $8.33 for 4 pounds of butter, 4 of these. This last time, we paid $14.78, an increase of $6.45 or 43.64%. Yeah. So yeah, they're lying to us. I mean, it's normal to have some increase within a 2-year span, but this much is not normal. This is inflation. I don't know how else to say it. They're gaslighting us, trying to tell us it's not what we think it is, but it is. There's no two ways about it. Now, the kicker here, I'm sure those of you who heat with oil or natural gas are seeing this too, maybe oil more so. We do. We heat with oil. And back when President Trump was in office, we were paying $2.60 for a gallon of oil. It cost us $519.80 to fill our tank. And we would do that about 3 to 4 times a year. And that's just during the winter months. We turn the furnace off in the summer. So 2 months into the current administration, it went up to $2.79. So at that time, that was March of 2020, we paid $558. A little bit more, still doable. Okay. So right before we turned the furnace off for the summer, we decided we were going to go ahead and fill up with oil. Just in case we weren't sure what the prices were going to do. And I'm glad that we did, because at that time, we paid $4.99, I guess it was $4.99, so really $5 a gallon for our oil, for a total cost of $1,096 to fill up our tank. That is over double what we paid with the previous administration. And I just called probably a week ago to get the current price of oil. We're not ready for a delivery yet, but I just wanted to see what we're looking at. At that time, it was just under $6 a gallon. So we're looking at maybe $1,200 the next time we fill up. So we're keeping our thermostat low. We're using some electric space heaters when we're home. So, I just wanted to share this. We just really felt we needed to share this so that, you're not going crazy. They're trying to tell us one thing when reality is completely different. So all I can say right now is we're all in the same boat. And all I can suggest is just keep doing what you've been doing. Try to find the best prices you can on things. Get an extra here or there when you can. Look for local farmers. Local farmers are still going to, at this point, probably be a better buy when it comes to eggs and dairy and meat. I don't know for how long because of the cost of feed and whatnot going up. But yeah, I saw another YouTuber say that everybody's preparing for when it hits the fan, and everybody's asking, well, when is it going to hit the fan? What is it going to look like? And his reply was, well, in some ways it already has. I mean, we're not in the end of the world as we know it scenario right now, but things are changing drastically. So just some encouragement, just continue to find like-minded people, help each other out when you can, learn to grow a garden. If you don't have space, put some stuff in pots on your deck. Coming this summer, and that's going to be really important to have a lot of your own produce and, maybe more meatless meals. I don't know. I wish I had the answers, but buckle up because it's going to be a ride.
Hi, Tobin. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Wave,
Anyway,
wave.
no,
He's not waving.
he's not waving. That's okay. He's probably depressed over what I just said. And if you guys aren't too terribly depressed over what I just said, I didn't mean to bring you down. I just wanted to show you the realization and let you know you're not going crazy. They're lying to us. If you want to tune in, we were wanting to give you more videos. We haven't done a lot lately, a lot of stuff going on. But we want to bring you more videos, especially as things start getting rougher. We want to be able to just be a source of encouragement and maybe some tips or ideas of things that you can do to weather this storm. If you like to get more information from us and more videos, we just ask that you like and subscribe to our video. Please give us a thumbs up. That really helps a lot. And then you'll also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and yes, we weren't banned from Twitter yet. Elon would let us back anyway. And we are also now over on Rumble. So you can find our videos there as well. So if you have any tips, if you've seen anything that you want to bring to our attention that we might want to know as far as costs, and sorry, cost of things, prices of things out there, put it down in the comments for us. We'd like to see what's going on in the rest of the country. And until next time, we just pray that God blesses you and that you just can keep on keeping on. Bye.